Hello, CNCers and all makers. At Chris Design Co., I offer very high quality bits and some great 3D models. I am offering a few different bits, a very high ultra fine tapered ball nose, and then a fine tapered ball nose, as you see here. I am also offering the all-time best tapered ball nose bit for wood inlays. I offer the 6mm collets in both ER20 and in the Makita style collets. I am also offering the market's best roughing bit for the best price, along with all of my other standard 1/4" and 1/8" end mills, which have the ZRN coating, which keeps them sharp for a very long time. For both the 1/4" and the 1/8" end mills, I offer all three styles: upcut, downcut, and compression bits. Choose yours for the right project today. I also offer this great bowl bit, which is a 1/2" bowl bit with a 1/4" shank. Here's an example of some of the models that I have designed and how the bits can create such fine details and straight, perfect lines with clean bottoms. Here's an example of how this tapered ball nose, a 6.2 degree, does such an effective job for inlay cutting boards. Thank you for watching, and visit my site, chrisdesignco.com, for your next model or bit.